Welcome to the ECAP show. The ECAP show. The ECAP show. Welcome to the ECAP show. I want to know I love sing Funo. I want to know Auntie She cannot sing. But you know the vibe. Let's get into this week's show though. Bounty Killer's birthday celebration at the Digicel headquarters. New music and lots more. I'm your host, Alicia. Let's get into it. Dancehall icon Bounty Killer turned a whole of 50 on June 12th, and he had a few birthday celebrations, but the Digicel celebration was lit. Not even rain could have stopped it. Here are the highlights.
Happy birthday, Bounty! All of who love yourself, put your two hands in the air right now.
Make it place nice.
Put your two hands in the air, no man. Them ask me a question backstage. Them ask me what Bounty Killer did for dancehall. I said Bounty Killer is dancehall.
Bounty Killer, that's Godzilla. Bounty Killer, that's Godzilla. Bounty Killer, that's Godzilla. Bounty Killer, that's Godzilla. Bounty Killer. Bounty Killer.
This is a joyful morning. This is a glorious morning. This morning, I just became big people. Yes, big people club me now. So a big bullet me give them 50 caliber. I just want to say, nigga, don't aggravate me. I'm speaking. This is a big celebration. This is a big congratulation. This is one of the hugest collaboration between Bounty Killer and Digicel.
Bounty Killer, that's Godzilla. Bounty Killer, that's Godzilla. Bounty Killer, that's Godzilla. Bounty Killer. Bounty Killer.
Yalla!
Happy birthday to the 50 caliber. Bounty Killer! Turn the boy. We don't want a friend from there.
When I say Bounty, you say Killer. Bounty! Bounty! When I say Bounty, you say Killer. Bounty!
We're little, but with Talawa. Jamaica's very own Chantal Jackson is nominated for TV Choice Best Actress Award. Jamaican actress Chantal Jackson is among the actresses that have been nominated for Best Actress in a Series at the 2022 TV Choice Awards. Chantal got nominated due to her role in season 11 of the Death in Paradise series. Death in Paradise was filmed in the French Caribbean island of Guadeloupe and broadcast on BBC One in the United Kingdom, France, the United States, Canada, New Zealand, and Australia. A former model, now actress, joined the cast in 2021, plays the role of Sergeant Naomi Thomas, a young detective who has transferred over from a neighboring island. Chantal previously starred in the Idris Elba directed 2018 crime drama Yardie, as well as Sprinter by director Storm Salter. She's also known for her work in Jamaican productions, the most recent being Dela Harris's Love and Dancehall. Then who would have thought that we Jamaica wanted to take away Carnival from Trinidad and Tobago? Can the cultures just share? Oh well, Jamaica's Minister of Tourism Edmund Bartlett, in an interview with Guardian Media at the Montego Bay Convention Center, said that Jamaica is not taking away Carnival, Jamaica is adding value to Carnival. He also added that Jamaica has sort of walked into Carnival arena and is literally taking it over. Our Trinidadian friends probably won't agree with that. He laughed. But I think that we have come a good way with it. It's good because what it says is that there can be a common Caribbean cultural experience that we can take from island to island. Just the same way, I think that reggae has become quite a regional genre and that people all over the world engage in. So, Carnival can become a similar kind of global musical and dancing instrument, and we look forward to that. Well, all me know is that anywhere to jump up there, I am there, whether yard or abroad. It seems as if America is taking on Carnival a lot more these days, state by state. A couple weeks ago, it was Atlanta, and now Washington, D.C. is set to get a dose of J'ouvert and Mass during a weekend titled Hooky Weekend 2022. The DMV area, which includes Washington, D.C., Maryland, and Virginia, will feel the sweet vibe of Hooky Weekend this weekend from June 16th to the 20th, 2022. This weekend event is produced by Hooky Life Entertainment, will feature a full Caribbean Carnival style experience inclusive of every Carnival lovers event, J'ouvert and Mass. Lions Pride J'ouvert takes place on Saturday, June 18 from 7 a.m. at the Rosecroft Raceway, which is dubbed as the best J'ouvert event in the DMV area. Lions Pride offers an authentic West Indian experience complete with branded t-shirts and swag packages for registrants who excitedly revel in paint and powder to powerful music blasting from a big truck. This innovative mass concept has been remixing the traditional mass model by allowing its masqueraders to be the costume designer. Attendees can also participate in this alternative road experience by wearing old costumes from previous international carnivals. Monday wear options or even their own inspired costume creations. Our very own festival song competition had a bit of shaky fate this year. Why? It's Jamaica's 60th independence, and we want the festival song festivities. Remember, this is a strong staple of our annual independence celebration. Due to poor entries, our local Minister of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sports, Olivia Babsy Grange, expressed her disappointment in this year's entry during her sectoral debate on June 8th. It's slated that entries have been open once again for only 1 week from June 14 through to the 21st, only to select 7 new songs to add to the 3 that was already been identified. Lax, where the musical talent them there? Come on, man. Show up on yourself and come mash up the place. This week's new music features
Mama, your son him wanted. Him sit down in a yard but him wanted. And though they might not charge him, me said the gallows and the guillotine a call him. Mama, your son him wanted. Him sit down in a yard but him wanted. And though they might not charge him, me said the gallows and the guillotine a call him. See me, I don't know the endings. From humble beginnings, find a way through tough upbringing. Can't tell me but like I've ended. Wait till me get the winnings. Can't stop before me finish. All of this will be a lesson. I'm destined to be a blessing. Oh, listen to my song. When I will live forevermore. Bloodline 10,000 strong.
Some are just material homies. But if you fall them up, if you know this, you know me just change on me and me pa my friend them. And all of my friend them gone. Drop it rum plus the weed and blame them. And it turns self-isolation. Change on me and me pa my friend them. And all of my friend them gone. Me drop it rum, drop it weed. And it turns self-isolation. Some friend connect to your back.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, these individuals. Happy birthday to you. This week, birthday shout out goes to Bounty Killer. Yeah, can't say Bounty name without saying it. Saying a big bad Bounty Killer, Protege and Tammy Chin. Have a happy birthday to you all and continue to do great work. And you know it can't be a birthday celebration without me saying big up you. And on that note, thanks for watching PBCJ's Entertainment Recap. I'm your girl, Alicia. Follow us on all socials at PBC Jamaica. Thanks to the Air Candy Collection each and every week for my earrings. Remember to follow them at the Air Candy Collection on all social media platforms. If you have a story, a new music video that you love us to carry, email us at asteel@pbcjamaica.org. Have a great weekend and happy Father's Day to all the dads out there. Remember to keep safe, spread love, and enjoy this weekend and big up you.